Hey y'all, how we doing? It's Monday, November 14th. My hip replacement surgery was Friday, September 23rd, so it's been about 7.5 weeks. It's freaking amazing. For the past couple weeks, I've been walking like a normal person. I haven't been able to walk upright without a limp for over a year and a half. And now I'm starting to feel issues in my lower back, which in the process of trying to figure out what was wrong, we did discover I have spinal stenosis and some vertebrae that move when I bend. And the spinal stenosis is in the lower back. So I don't know if it's just because I'm exercising more and doing more that my lower back is irritated, or if it's because now that the hip issues are going away, the spinal stenosis is kicking in. I don't know. But I have a follow-up with the back doctor in December to see how that's doing. So hopefully by then, there's another few weeks, by then it will maybe get better. But I mean, I still have the muscles in the front of my thigh, upper thigh, are still sore and tight, but nothing like it was. It's just like, it's like a sore muscle now. Before it was so painful. Excuse me. Before it was so painful, I could barely do anything. I would come home when I was still working, sit on the couch all summer. We didn't do anything. We had tickets to the Motley Crue Def Leppard extravaganza in Cincinnati, and we didn't go. We missed a couple other concerts because I just couldn't walk, and I had a cane by that point, but just couldn't walk very far, and it wasn't comfortable. The only comfort was sitting on something soft like a couch. So it's like, wow. But I'm trying not to overdo it because I really, really want to start cleaning. This house is out of fucking control. You can't imagine. Yeah, everybody's like, oh, everybody's got a messy house. Oh no, you have not seen this house. So I've been working on that a little bit at a time, trying not to do too much because I don't want to fuck this up. And you know, it lets me know if it hurts. I stop what I'm doing. Anyway, the other thing I'm dealing with is motivation, but that's related to my lack of energy. I mean, I don't even need anything to sleep anymore. I used to have to take stuff to sleep. I go to sleep. Sometimes I go to sleep. I mean, I come in, it's, I don't know, 9 something right now, my time, and I'm in bed. And I usually lay here for an hour or so before I go to sleep. I'm usually asleep by 11, maybe 12. And I have to get up and pee in the middle of the night. That's just because I'm old. And then I go back to sleep, and I sleep hard till my alarm goes. I had to set an alarm, even though I'm not working right now, because I would sleep all day. And that's my issue. And I think it's related to the anesthesia. My primary doctor told me, or suspected, that a couple years ago when I had like 2020, 2021, I had like 4 or 5 surgeries in that time span. And she felt like I had adrenal fatigue from all the anesthesia that I hadn't processed and gotten out of my liver and my kidneys. And so she had prescribed a supplement, which helped a little, but I couldn't really tell because I was still working and stressed. And so I couldn't sleep because of all that stuff going on. So now it's like, I don't want to get out of bed in the morning. I mean, I struggle with energy. So I ordered that supplement and started taking it just last week. So I haven't noticed any improvement yet, but I'm hoping that will take care of it. I've also found myself reverting to fat brain, and anybody who's lost a bunch of weight or had weight loss surgery knows exactly what I mean when I say fat brain. And I've been eating crap. I've been making really bad choices. So I've got to overcome that and make myself do my exercises so that I can get back to my prior condition, hopefully. Anyway, it's a struggle. I'm struggling. Actually, not working is not working for me because I don't want to do anything. I sit around. I don't know. Anyway, I've talked too long. I rambled. So, just to update, the surgery was a miracle. Doctor didn't say I couldn't play softball. He just said, I saw him 2 weeks ago. He said, wait about a month before we start thinking about doing softball. Well, practice for softball doesn't start till February for the spring season. So I got a couple months before for all that. But he didn't say I couldn't. He did say that I would never run marathons. And I'm like, do I look like I run marathons? Come on. And then he said, well, you won't run as fast as you used to. And I'm like, I don't run fast anyway. Probably won't notice a difference. So anyway, it's all good. And if you stayed this long with my video, I appreciate it. Hope you all have a great night. And peace out. Peace out.